she came over here saying that he was hitting me and doing all of this, and he is hot-headed. He does have a mouth. With her like this, shaking her like that.
Okay. Watch how a quiet afternoon in a neighborhood suddenly erupts into chaos.
What up? I explain to you, because anytime I try to explain to anybody else, they're yelling at me.
Okay.
She's walking down the street.
Okay.
I see the car coming, so I went over there, I grabbed her.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to calm her down.
All right.
And she pulls up yelling at me, oh, y'all can't be here.
Park manager lady?
I don't know who she is.
Lady in the blue?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
So she pulls up yelling at me. She's like, y'all can't be here. I was like, I'm visiting my grandma. Can you please excuse us so I can finish talking to her, trying to calm her down?
All right.
And she was like, I guess when she called y'all, she's like, what's your name again? I said, ma'am, I never gave you my name. And she was like, okay. And then,
all right.
That's it.
You mind giving me your name?
I'm Brendan. I have my ID.
Perfect, all right.
Yeah. You need her ID too?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Okay, so I got them both in my wallet. That's hers.
All right.
This is mine.
All right. All right, so, sorry. You can continue on now. So, and you're trying to, like...
I'm trying to grab her so she's calming down.
Okay.
And she's yelling.
And this woman pulls up and starts yelling at you.
We're sitting at the park bench right there.
All right. Lady in the blue there.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
On the golf cart.
Yeah. All right. And so, you two just came over here and...
Well, we just came back from the beach. And we were coming to see my grandma because I haven't seen her in a couple of days.
Okay.
And she...
All right.
So I was checking.
Did Grandma see any of this?
She was inside. She was in the shower.
Okay, so she didn't see anything then. Okay.
So she was walking down the street.
Yep.
I calm her down.
Okay.
Lady comes up screaming at me saying, "Okay, I can't be here." I was like, "Ma'am, she's like, does you live here? You can't be here." Da da da. And I was like, "Ma'am, her car's right here. I'm visiting my grandma. Can you please wait a second?"
Yeah.
I'm trying to calm her down.
Okay. All right. You the father?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Hang out here. Let me go speak to her.
Deputy Evans. Mind stepping out real quick? We can talk. What all happened?
Nothing. I woke up, we were talking, and just... It wasn't anything serious. It wasn't about us. It's just about home. I needed to breathe. He kept trying to follow me, and I just told him to give me space for a minute. And we started, I just told him, okay, let's go talk at the bench. So we went to go talk at the bench, and she came over here saying that he was hitting me and doing all of this, and he is hot-headed. He does have a mouth. And he was just like, well, we're not even doing anything, we're just talking, let us talk. All this, he saw him put his hands on me, and it wasn't that serious.
Did he put his hands on you?
No, I just got back from the beach, I'm sunburned as fuck.
Did he hit you at all?
No.
So why is it that they said that he was hitting you?
He had his shoulder around me and we were screaming, but that's pretty much it. There was nothing, nobody was hitting nobody.
Those cameras over there, they ain't gonna see him hitting you?
No, he wasn't hitting me. Go ahead.
Okay.
We could have just left, I mean, just took it way too far. I don't even know why I was needed to call you guys.
You mind telling me what happened?
But we were just talking in the car.
Okay.
I told him to walk off for a minute.
Okay.
He started following me. He touched my shoulder. He didn't grab me. He didn't hit me. He didn't do anything.
Yeah.
We were walking over to the bench. We were arguing. We were yelling. And we were sitting down talking. And she comes up. And she said, oh, I saw what happened. Blah, blah. I'm like, so what?
Yeah.
We're not doing it. We're literally just talking. I didn't even say anything.
Okay.
I'm not going to say that.
Okay.
He's hot-headed. He said something. He said, let us just talk. All of this. Let us talk. Okay. She said, it's a small community. You can't be yelling in here. And I still wasn't saying anything. He was like, well, then we'll leave. And she said, no, I'm calling the cops.
Okay.
And I said, okay, then call them. There's nothing going on. Nothing serious happened. They could check me for bruises, check me for anything. He didn't put his hands on me.
Okay. All right, you can hang out here with him. I'll go talk to her.
Was it you that saw it all happen, or was it them, you said?
I saw what happened as I was coming around the corner to see what was happening, but they saw him feeding her, yes.
Gotcha. Let me see what they got to say.
Grab her by the arms and shake her like this.
Gotcha, thank you. How y'all doing?
Good, how's it going?
It's going.
A little exciting this afternoon.
I heard somebody saw something.
Yep,
Yeah,
I saw it.
We all saw it.
I was eating dinner and I looked out the window and he grabbed her, spun her around, threw something on the ground and it busted. It was yellow. It's in the road up there.
Okay.
And then I seen him smack.
Yeah.
He smacked her? Okay.
I know you just talked to him, but what all happened?
So she was,
Yeah.
and she left walking. I was trying to grab her to calm her down, but she doesn't. And there was a car coming, so I went to grab her so she didn't hit the car. The truck didn't hit her. And walking over to the park bench, I'm trying to calm her down. She's yelling, trying to calm her down, and everything else. And she pulls up on the golf cart yelling, "Hey, you can't be here. Do you live here?" I was like, "No, I'm visiting my grandma. This is her car right here."
What's your name?
I'm Brandon Hush. He has my ID.
Okay.
I think.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
And then she was like, "Oh, what's your name again?" I was like, "Ma'am, I never told you my name." And then that's what she was calling me.
You guys were at the pool?
No, we were here, and then she was walking.
Why'd she have her? I mean, were you guys...
She has him.
At no point did you hit
I
her?
didn't hit her. I didn't punch her. I didn't do nothing. I just grabbed her.
So whatever cameras they have over there is not going to show anything?
I never put my hands on her. You can go ahead.
Okay. That's fine.
Yeah, she's not gonna. I said don't even bother saying anything because she's
Okay.
gonna probably say nothing.
So who, so you said you saw it all?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get you a statement if you don't mind filling it out for me. Alright, give me 1 second.
Is this your car?
This is my mom's.
Mom?
She's letting her use it.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
And you guys are staying here right now visiting?
Yeah, we just came back from Daytona Beach.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello again.
Hi again. Second time's a charm, I guess.
I guess,
You just
maybe.
love being, and I called. I was like, I know you guys are sick of hearing our name, but this is what I got going on.
We gave up on the other one. The person over there said he was gone to like Indiana or Ohio or someplace up north. I don't know.
The car?
They're so full. I know they are.
Okay, all right.
If I had a picture, I can be on the lookout.
Yeah.
But I don't know what he looks like, so.
Get with me before I leave here. I can tell you how to find him.
Okay. Is it White County? Oh, because I'm on there all the time. Okay. Yeah.
So you mind telling me what happened here?
So I'm at home because my office hours are till 3. I'm at home trying to do something on my phone, and Irma calls me, the resident that lives here, and she's like, "Hey, you have a fight going on up by the new table you just put in at the pool." I'm like, "Are you kidding me?" So I get on my golf cart and I come around. As I'm coming around the corner, I look over and I see him with her like this, shaking her like that.
Okay.
But before I got here, she said that he was beating the shit out of her.
Okay.
So I'm saying, what the hell's going on? You know, you're disrupting, the neighborhood, and people are calling me. There's an issue. Yeah. And then he's telling me to get the fuck out of here. I'm like, you're not going to tell me what to do on my property.
Yeah.
I said, you're, going to jeopardize your grandmother's residency here by your actions.
Right.
So I said, that's okay. I said, where do you live? And he's like, I live over there. I said, no, you don't, because you're not approved to live here. Because I remember everybody when they moved in. So I said, that's okay. I'm just going to go talk to your grandma. And I went and knocked on the door, and that's when I was calling you, or calling the sheriff's office.
Okay.
And then, so I waited for you guys to come, and then I just let her know. I said, they're over here. He's putting his hands on her and causing a disruption, causing a scene. So I said, as of right now, nothing is affecting you. I just don't want it to cause any issues with them staying here because of her guests. So if I'm allowed, I want them trespassed from the whole place if that's possible.
I can, but then with Grandma living here, I can do all the paperwork, trespass them, send them packing, and then Grandma says, hey, come on back, and she lives here, then it's all out the window.
Well, can I trespass them from common areas? Because that's a common area. Because I know depending on certain deputies, they'll say yes, or they'll say no, or whatever. So whatever I'm allowed to do, I want to do it.
All right.
Especially to his mouthy mouth.
Yeah. Okay. All right, and these people here saw?
Yes. This is the daughter.
Okay.
The main witness.
He's filling out the statement now. He is, because he saw it too.
Andre saw it too? Where's your mom?
Okay.
She's there.
Oh, yeah, they're both over there filling it out.
He's
Because they're right here. They got front row seats.
Okay.
But yeah, I only saw him shaking her like this when I come around the corner.
I'm going to tell us again what happened. We're getting like totally different stories from witnesses.
We were talking in the car. I got out the car to walk away. He grabbed me. He didn't hit me. He didn't put his hands on me. He grabbed me out of the road and he told me to calm down. And I told him, I don't need to calm down. Just give me a little bit of space. And he said, no, we're going to talk. So we sat down at the bench to talk. Yeah. He threw his vape on the ground.
He threw it, so that's why I had to. Was it his vape or your vape? And
His
whose
vape.
hand was it in?
His vape, his hand. I don't do none of that. Like I said, I'm pregnant.
Oh, well, I don't care. I mean, I don't. You do your thing. It's not about you vaping while you're pregnant. It's more of just like if the vape was in his hand.
Yeah. And he threw it at the ground.
Is he just your boyfriend, engaged, married?
He's my boyfriend. We live together at my mom's house
How long you been together?
for a year.
What are the bruises from on your side there?
That's a birthmark.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've had this since I was a baby.
All right, so we're just trying to figure out, because what they say and they saw and what you all, it's totally
This is
different.
ridiculous. I'm like, are you serious? Like, if it's that big of a deal, we'll just leave. But it was never that serious.
Yeah, okay.
And that's why we can call the cops. We'll call for what?
Yeah.
This is not a big deal.
Right.
I understand they see people arguing, they're gonna be concerned and everything, but it never got to like he's physically like punching me or hitting me or nothing
So he
like
never
that.
hit you?
No.
Okay, did he ever shake you?
No.
So
He picked me up
he was
and
just
put me
like
out of the
hugging
road.
you or whatever?
Yeah, he hugged me like this,
Yeah.
put me outside the road.
Okay.
That's pretty much
Was a car coming or something, or is he just...
No, he was just telling me to get out of the road.
Okay.
He said I don't need to be in the middle of the road. I was walking right here in the middle of the road.
What's there?
You understand why we're asking this question?
No, I understand. It's not you guys. I'm pissed off at them because literally it didn't need to escalate like that. She only called them because you don't know how to shut the f up. And he was being like, oh, I don't need to give you my name, blah, blah, this. I'm like, just give them her name so they can leave us alone.
Yeah.
So we can talk. And
Yeah,
she
so he escalated the situation with them.
The way he was talking, I mean, he could have been nicer about it. He didn't have to be rude. But, yeah, the reason that
So they thought because of his demeanor you really were in danger.
just because of the way he was being rude.
Is
Okay.
he always this week? Like when he gets angry?
No. Hey, it's just been a long day. We've been at the beach since 6 in the morning.
What beach are those?
We went to, it starts with an S. I don't know how to, Santa Monica.
West Coast or East Coast?
I'm not sure. Near Daytona.
New Smyrna?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're close.
But it was never as serious as they were trying to make it.
Okay. Do you guys have beef with your neighbors at all?
I don't know anybody.
Never met him.
So you guys don't come here enough to have any kind of bad relationship or any bad encounters or anything
Only
that they
time
would
we-
want to be that way about it?
The only time we come here is to hang out with his cousin.
How often do you come by here?
Not much. We live all the way in St. Cloud.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, so you're coming way out of your way even to get here in the first place.
Yeah, so after we left the beach, we came
You
here.
just cut across 42 to just making a big loop back to St. Cloud?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, give us a minute. We're trying to figure out what we're going to do here, okay?
Alrighty.
I was going to ask her if any of her cameras were working or are working.
Because the previous owners moved in with us, their neighbors,
Mm-hmm.
and the cameras, they lost all control over them, so they just stopped using them. They only have one camera in the very front.
So this one is where your grandma lives or no?
This one right here is where my grandma lives. Yes.
Is she able to talk to me at all?
Yes.
Okay. Just knock on the door and she come. Okay.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, how are you? You coming out, Boo?
Yeah, I'm coming out.
Okay.
So, I was just asking. She said that the cameras don't work. Did you
No.
did you witness anything that happened?
No, I did not. I was in the house, and the guy, Bobby, that I was just talking to, he called me, which I didn't have his phone. He answered me, and then my granddaughter called me. She goes, Bobby heard you screaming. I'm like, I can't be screaming. I'm in the house, and I walked outside. When I walked outside, you guys were
And I
already
was
here.
out here too, and she was like,
And
she
she-
heard the scream as well.
I mean, I heard it in
heard
the
the girl
house.
scream?
A woman scream,
I heard
yes.
somebody screaming in the house, but we have kids that run around here, you
Right,
know, so I
right,
could have figured it
okay.
was full, and I came out. Then Kira and Serenity come over here,
Purple hair.
and then she came over, but I didn't see or hear anything, but I heard a scream in the house, and I was like, what's it mean?
Okay.
Oh,
Were you
I
guys
heard
at
it from
you?
like way over there.
Oh, so you weren't over here when?
No,
it
none of
happened?
us were
you
back
over
here.
at all?
No, I was on my front
She was over
porch.
here. They live
So I
next
didn't
door.
witness anything, but I did hear the scream as well.
Yeah, I called her
It
over
was
because I was
clearly a
talking to her dad.
woman.
Yeah, that's.
It's easy to tell a woman scream to a man
course,
scream,
yeah.
so.
Now,
Yeah.
these cameras haven't worked in months.
Okay. Well, that was all I was coming
Well,
around.
that one doesn't. The one in the front does.
Well, that's only because your mom just redid it, but that
Yeah.
one has not worked. And
In about
I don't
like
even
4
know if that
months.
one's still up over there in the corner.
there one?
I don't know, there was one up
No,
there.
there's not.
It might have been taken down too.
No, there's one there, but it's shooting this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
We like to watch the bears.
I
Sometimes we like Even though we're not stopping the pit, we're trying to get it empty, but they keep throwing garbage in there, and every time somebody throws food in, the bears come by.
Who's throwing garbage in there? People that come by from the pool?
Oh, no.
My little neighbor kids.
Neighbor kids don't be doing that.
And grandkids.
And grandkids. Well, pretty much, my grandkids,
Technically, they're all
they're all my kids. They're all grandkids. I'm grandma in the neighborhood anyway, so any little kid. Right, Serenity, Kira. Well, especially that one. I've known that one since she was 4.
Well, that was all I had. I didn't know if you guys witnessed
I wish
anything
they
or
were,
whatnot,
but no,
so.
none of them were.
Okay. All right. Well, that's all I had for you.
All right, well,
I appreciate your time.
Oh, you're welcome.
You want to stand up real quick? For what? I said stand up. Can I see the video? Can you stand up? If you're going to have problems.
Come on. What's up? Can you take my wallet out of my pocket and hand it to her?
You don't want to take it?
You don't want to take it to the jail? All right.
They take the sneakers off too. Come on, Mom. Listen, dude.
Anything else in your pockets? Any weapons? Any stick poke? Any drugs? Any nothing?
Can you give her her ID and my ID too?
I'll give it to her.
No, we're taking her ID with us. Okay, we'll give.
Yeah, I'll give her
ID.
hers before we leave.
After you leave here, go straight to my mom's. Can I give her a kiss first? No. No?
Lake Keisha, Brandon 1015. Hello.
Hello.
I was just giving her ID back.
Oh, your ID's for
Yeah.
Sorry for y'all's trouble.
No.
I go get a vacation and come back, and I
Right.
don't know what happened.
Yeah. So there's your ID back. You're free to go.
What's going to happen with him?
So he's going to go to the jail. It's going to be domestic, so he won't have a bond until morning after bond hearing. But then he'll be bondable. So you're going to have to spend the night there. So he's going to be at the jail in Tavares.
Okay. And then you should have a hearing like tomorrow morning.
Yeah, bond hearing is usually fairly early in the morning. Not always, but being a weekday, it's usually earlier.
I appreciate it.
No problem. All right. Have a good day.
you too.
The suspect is charged with the following: domestic violence battery, disorderly conduct. If you want to see more wild takedowns like this, hit subscribe right now.